going on. Prepare for the blade, Ahk. Ain't nothing more to say, Ahk. Keep dropping your bids, misleading the kids, disrespecting what is, disrespecting the kid. No respect for the father, love for the brothers. Got love for my brothers. See, I ride for my brothers, die for each other. We took an oath, so we ride for the Father. You'll die in vain, spend eternity feeling the pain.
2 Corinthians chapter 6, verse 17. Wherefore come out from among them and be ye separate, saith the Lord, and touch not the unclean thing, and I will receive you, and will be a father unto you, and ye shall be my sons and daughters, saith the Lord Almighty. Crowns on our dome, pain, we gon' channel it. This way, that way, we gon' stay lit. Never fold, stand tall, we will never quit. Break the odds, leave them odd, hands on applause. Penning songs for your house, kings turn to gods. Ground reaper with the sword, be the life taker. Lay them flat, bring your toll like a troublemaker. YAHAWAH's battle axe, we the undertaker. Putting silence to the wicked like a jawbreaker. Swinging sickles, every heartbeat getting weaker. Pressure cooker, see him shook, we the hope speaker. Motherfuckers know we coming, sorry for the wait. Table turning quick, while the demons dissipate. It be real live action, not no fabricate. Every swing that we take, fate orchestrate. Zechariah 12, whole chapter illustrate. 2 laws, 10 commandments, we gon' regulate for eternity.